Hey, Cameron Coward here, reporting from CES, and I'm at the Kickstarter booth to talk to EufyMake about the E1. If you could introduce yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. My name's Oliver. I work with the U.S. market for the EufyMake brand, and this is our brand new E1, which we launched on Kickstarter this past year.
Yeah, so I'm sure a lot of you saw the Kickstarter, saw our review of it, and have been backing it, I'm sure a lot of you. So it set the record, right?
Yeah,
it's the highest funded of anything on Kickstarter.
Yeah, any project ever. We set the record for the highest funded project with 17,822 backers, raising just under $47 million, $46.7 million.
Which is crazy. I mean, that's not just tech, that's not just printers, that's of anything on Kickstarter.
Across all categories.
Which is crazy. And if you saw my review of it, then you know why, because it's a really cool machine. So I think what a lot of people are curious about is if they backed it, when they're going to start shipping out. And I know they have to some people already.
So we've started delivering to Kickstarters. We've got a few thousand that have gone out, and I know there have been delays for a lot of units, but I can say confidently that within the next month or 2 months, you should be seeing machines showing up. We're really honestly glad that we waited, because the user experience from 6 months ago to now has completely changed. The quality of life has really improved to the point where using the machine is such a smooth, simple, fun process. It's honestly worth the wait.
So I know a big part of that with the delays, I think there's some issues with the ink. You're reformulating the ink.
Yeah, so we've now reformulated our magenta ink to solve the kind of ink mixing problem.
Okay.
And then solved another issue, which was an overpressure issue in the cartridges, and we are having great printing results now.
Okay, cool.
If you look at any of these pieces of artwork here, you can see we've got examples of amazing texture and color on all different types of materials, from metal to wood to canvas and ceramic. It kind of really, we're showing off all the different capabilities of the machine.
Awesome, yeah, and I mean, I always had really good results with the one that I was testing, but it's always good for when you're getting it out into actual consumer hands to make sure it's like ready to go.
Right, I mean, it's a brand new product, it's a new product class for us, and we wanted to make sure that what you receive is really the best possible product. And it's easier for us to iron out those issues early on than getting it to people and then realize we've got an issue and having to do recalls and reissuing. It's, that's a much bigger hassle.
For sure. Is there anything that you can tell people about what's next for EufyMake? Is it just getting things out, or do you have anything coming up?
We are getting things out, and that's our primary focus, is fulfilling those Kickstarter orders. We are really grateful for all the help that the Kickstarters gave us, and we're excited for everyone to be making with it. And all I can say is just keep an eye out for our name. We have exciting stuff planned for 2026.
Awesome.
And, you'll be hearing from us.
Okay, perfect. Well, if whenever those exciting things happen, we'll be sure to let you know. All right, thanks for watching.